Good morning, students. I welcome all my dear students in the online lecture. Students, as you all know, in today's online lecture, we are going to learn our last lesson from Unit 2. So, students, pay attention to the lesson that today we are going to learn in this online lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja, I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard First. Students, we are going to learn lesson number 6, Be Quick, from our Unit 2 from our English Bal Bharti textbook. As you all know, this is the last lesson for our Unit 2. After this online lecture, your revision lectures for your exam will start. So students, do watch this lecture till the end. Now I request all the students to open your English Bal Bharti textbook. Students, let us have a look to our index page, Unit 2. In the Unit 2 you can see we completed a poem, First Rain, second Things in My Classroom, third poem Colors, then Magic Seed, Who Are You? Now we are going to learn our last topic, Be Quick, in our today's online lecture. So students, you all need to open your English Bal Bharti textbook, a pencil and also your combined book and English notebook for referring today's online lecture. Students, open your page number 22. Lesson number 6, Be Quick. Before starting the lesson, I am going to explain you the short introduction that we are going to learn in this lesson. The lesson's name is Be Quick. The meaning of quick is fast, in hurry, be quick. Now, in the lesson, as you can see, there are many vegetables name discussed in the lesson. So, let us have a look to the pictures of some vegetables. Before starting the lesson, we will have a look to the pictures of some vegetables mentioned in our today's lesson number 6, Be Quick. Students, I hope all of you know what is vegetables. In our previous lecture, we have seen and colored some pictures of vegetables. Yes or no? Do you remember in lesson number 5, Who Are You? We have seen some vegetables, and in our combined book also we have drawn a picture of a vegetable garden and colored some vegetables. So students, in this lesson topic, we are going to learn some more vegetables which we eat in our day-to-day life. Let us have a look to the vegetables before starting the topic. Students, here I am showing you some pictures of vegetables which are there in your today's topic, lesson number 6, be quick. So what can you see in the picture? Can you all tell me? Can you all guess? It is red in color. It is juicy and we eat it raw. What is the vegetable? You can see in your screen. Yes, it is a tomato. So this is called as tomato. बच्चों, इस वेजिटेबल का नाम है टमाटो. Students, can you all tell me which is this vegetable? Yes, this vegetable is almost used in every vegetable that we prepare. This is the most common used vegetable, and also many of them love this vegetable. As you can see, many items from this vegetables are prepared. Can you all tell me the name? Yes, this is a potato. You all eat wafers, chips and many more items. French fries, yes or no? So these all snacks items are made from your favorite vegetable, potato. Yes, potato is brown in color. बच्चों, इस वेजिटेबल का नाम है आलू यानी potato. You all can see the picture of a potato. Now, this is white in color. Yes or no, students? It looks like similar to carrot. It has green hairs on the top and it is white in color. Can you all tell me the name? It can be eaten raw. Can you all guess which vegetable it is? Yes, we can eat this vegetable raw and also in salad. This vegetable's name is radish. बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हो इस वेजिटेबल का नाम? इसे कहते हैं रैडिश. रैडिश यानी मूली. आपने इस वेजिटेबल को ज़रूर खाया होगा. सैलेड में इसे कच्चा खाया जाता है गाजर के तौर पे और इसकी सब्जी भी बनाई जाती है. सो दिस वेजिटेबल इज कॉल्ड एज radish. This is white in color. Okay, now this vegetable I hope all students might be knowing very well. Yes or no? What is the color of this vegetable? Yes, it is orange in color. It has green leaves on the top and it is orange, juicy, and also we eat it raw. Can you all tell me the name of this vegetable? Yes, the name of this vegetable is carrot. बच्चों, इस सब्जी का नाम है कैरेट. कैरेट यानी गाजर. आप सभी जानते हो इसे हम कच्चा सैलेड में भी खाते हैं और गाजर हमारे लिए कितने फ़ायदेमंद है. स्टूडेंट्स, you all know how benefited this vegetable is for our health. Yes or no? Yes, as you all have heard it that the carrot helps us to improve our eyesight also, and it has many more qualities which are helpful for our body and health. So this is called as a carrot. It is orange in color. This is, can you all tell me this vegetable's name, students? You can see it has green color, leaves, and it is in a flower shape. White color is the flower and green leaves are there. Can you all tell me? The name of this vegetable is cauliflower. Yes, you all know cauliflower. Yes, we eat it as a vegetable. बच्चों, इस सब्जी का नाम है cauliflower. फूल गोभी उसे हिंदी में कहते हैं. Can you all tell me the name of this vegetable? I hope most of the students love this vegetable. And also, students, this vegetable is dark green in color. It has small seeds. Can you all tell me the name? The name of this vegetable is lady finger. इसे हिंदी में कहते हैं भिंडी. बच्चों, ये सब्जी का नाम है भिंडी. लेडीज फिंगर is the name of this vegetable. Can you all tell me the name of this vegetable? Yes, I know each and every students have seen it, as this vegetable is also commonly used in preparing many dishes. It is green in color and you can see in the picture. Can you all tell me the name? Yes, it is green peas. Yes or no? Yes. When we open it, you can see many peas inside. It is also nice in taste. इस भाजी का नाम है हरे मटर. Students, this vegetable's name is green peas. Now, this is the common vegetable which all students know. Yes or no? Can you all tell me the name of this vegetable? Yes, it is eaten raw in salad and also used in every vegetable and every dishes to prepare food. Can you all guess the name? Yes, it is onion. बच्चों, ये कॉमन सा वेजिटेबल है. आप जानते हो ऑनियन. ऑनियन का मतलब हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं प्याज. कांदा, प्याज, ऑनियन. So this vegetable's name is onion. So here we have seen some vegetables which we are going to learn in our today's online lecture in our lesson number 6. Be quick. Students, let us start with our today's lesson number 6. Be quick. Question 1. Listen and say. Listen to the names of the vegetables and other names to it. Students, now I am going to read this lesson and explain you. So, listen and say. You need to listen it and repeat the names of the vegetables and other names also. Be quick. Quick means be fast. Be in a hurry. Be quick. Speak, speak. What speak? Now, here you can see in the first picture a girl, a lady who is sitting. She's saying, speak, speak. What speak? Vegetables name, be quick. आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में रेड कलर में ड्रेस में एक लेडी बैठी है. वो क्या कह रही है? स्पीक, स्पीक. स्पीक यानी बोलो, बोलो, बोलो. व्हाट स्पीक? व्हाट स्पीक मतलब क्या बोले. वेजिटेबल्स नेम, बी क्विक. वेजिटेबल्स सब्जियों के नाम बताओ, लेकिन जल्दी, फटाफट आपको सब्जियों के नाम बताने हैं. स्पीक, स्पीक. वो कह रही है. द लेडी इन दिस लाइन्स शी इज सेइंग स्पीक, स्पीक. व्हाट स्पीक? नाउ शी इज टेलिंग व्हाट स्पीक. व्हाट टू स्पीक? वेजिटेबल्स नेम, be quick. Now she is asking to say the vegetables name. Tomato, be quick. Potato, be quick. Radish, be quick. Onion, be quick. Cauliflower, be quick. Lady's finger, be quick. Carrot, be quick. Peas, be quick. Oh, I didn't get it. Now students, you can see she is saying in the topic speak. Speak, speak. What speak? She is asking the names of the vegetables to be quick. Like she is asking to say the names of the vegetables. The first vegetable is tomato, be quick. Students, tomato, be quick. You can see the picture of a girl and also a tomato. Tomato, be quick. First vegetable का नाम लिया है tomato. Be quick. Be quick मतलब tomato जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. Be quick. The next is potato, be quick. The next is potato. You can see the boy thinking of a potato. Potato, be quick. Now she is asking potato, be quick. टमेटो के बाद potato को कहा है be quick. Be quick यानी जल्दी जल्दी बताओ तुम कौन से वेजिटेबल हो. तो potato, be quick. The third one is radish. Radish, be quick. You can see after potato, radish is there. Radish, be quick. Now she is asking the radish to say it fast. अब वो कह रही है next vegetable, फटाफट बताओ तुम कौन हो. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो रैडिश. रैडिश यानी मूली. रैडिश, बी क्विक. The next is onion, be quick. You can see the onion after radish. She is asking the next vegetable to be quick. To tell the name fast. Which vegetable are you? Onion, be quick. So, she is asking the next vegetable to say the name fast. Be quick. Which vegetable are you? Onion, be quick. Cauliflower, be quick. After onion, she is asking the next vegetable to tell the name and she is saying to be quick. This is cauliflower. So she is asking Cauliflower, be quick. Cauliflower यानी फूल गोभी. The next vegetable is lady's finger, be quick. She is asking the next vegetable to be quick. Which is the next vegetable? It is lady's finger. Lady's finger, be quick. अब कह रही है नेक्स्ट वेजिटेबल, अपना नाम बताओ. द नेक्स्ट वेजिटेबल इज लेडी फिंगर. लेडी फिंगर को हिंदी में कहते हैं भिंडी. कैरेट, बी क्विक. द नेक्स्ट वेजिटेबल इज कैरेट. सो शी इज आस्किंग द कैरेट टू बी क्विक. You can see the picture of a carrot. She is asking carrot be quick. After carrot, peas. Peas, be quick. Now what are the peas? I have shown you the picture of peas. Green pea. Now she is asking the next vegetable to say it fast. Peas, be quick. You can see peas. The image of the pea is shown. This is the peas, green peas. She is asking green peas, be quick. The next vegetable is green peas. She is asking green peas, be quick. And in the last, oh, I didn't get it. Now she is saying, oh, I didn't get it, means I didn't understood it. So let us see what the topic in the lesson. It is a type of a poem, you can say. Let us revise what all vegetables name we have learnt in this topic. There are many names of the vegetables, so you need to remember the names of the vegetables that we learnt. So students, अब आपको मेरे पीछे पीछे मेरे साथ साथ रिपीट करना है. बच्चों, आप आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में ध्यान से देखो. जिन बच्चों के पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है वो मोबाइल स्क्रीन पर ध्यान से देख सकते हो. Now students, I am going to repeat this topic. Speak, speak. What speak? Vegetables name, be quick. Tomato, be quick. Potato, be quick. Radish, be quick. Onion, be quick. Cauliflower, be quick. Lady's finger, be quick. Carrot, be quick. Peas, be quick. Oh, I didn't get it. Understood, students? In the first line, she was saying speak, speak. Then the question was what to speak. She is saying vegetables name. Tell me fast. Be quick. Now each vegetable have said their names. The first was tomato. Tomato, be quick. The next was potato, be quick. The next was radish, be quick. The next was onion, be quick. The next was cauliflower, be quick. The next was lady's finger, be quick. The next was carrot, be quick. The last was peas, be quick. Oh, I didn't get it. Now she is wondering, oh, I didn't get it. Means she is saying I didn't get the names of the vegetables she is admiring. So students, we have learnt the names of vegetables. You just have to remember the names of the vegetables in this topic. So here we completed our Lesson number 6, be quick. Let us see the question number 2 given below on your page number 22. Play the game using different categories like fruits, colors, animals, etc. So students, as in this lesson, in the topic, the vegetable was given, you all can play with your friends by using the fruit's name and also the color's name, flower's name, animal's name. You can use many names. So you all can just play a short activity at your home. Means I'll give you a short example. If you all have 5 friends, you all can start with the fruit's name. Like apple, be quick. Another student will say mango, be quick. Another student banana, be quick. Like this you can speak and you can play the game by changing the topic. Also you can take color's name, fruit's name, animal's name. So students, here we have completed our unit 2, our last topic, our last lesson from our unit 2, be quick. Students, I hope this topic was easy for you all, as in this topic, in this lesson, only the names of the vegetables were there to remember. So here we have finished our English entire portion for your unit test exam. बच्चों, हमारा इंग्लिश पोर्शन यूनिट 1 यूनिट 2 कंप्लीट होता है, यानी हमारी जो कंबाइंड बुक नंबर 1 है हमारी पूरी कंप्लीट हो गई है. आप देख सकते हो स्टार्टिंग से यूनिट 1 और यूनिट 2 के सारे लेसन्स, सारे टॉपिक्स हमने ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में पढ़े. अब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से मैं रिवीजन स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लेसन, फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट ऑनलाइन लेक्चर, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द रिवीजन so that for the unit test exam you will be prepared well. बच्चों, तो आपको इस टॉपिक को अच्छे से लर्न करना है and you will practice this topic at your home. Thank you students for watching today's online lecture. Students, in this lecture, I am making a short announcement that from our next online lecture, I am going to start with the revision. So, from the next lecture, do not miss the revision as it is important for your exam purpose. So, this was the last lecture of your English of your unit test exam. And we have completed our unit 1 and unit 2 and also our grammar portion. In English grammar, only 2 topics in the unit test exam will come, that is capital and small letters and vowels and consonants. So students, I am going to send you the images of all the grammar topics which are left. You all need to copy it in your combined book, and those students are not having, they can write it in their English notebook. So students, do not miss the next online lecture. Stay connected for the next online lecture. Thank you.